House quality is horrible nowadays. However, this one is for sale. Let's go inside this one though and see how this one turned out. We think this is pretty great, but we'll see what y'all think. So drop a comment, let us know what you think of this quality as we walk in. You'll see the outside, but first we want to go inside and show you what the inside came to life as. Check it out. Pretty beautiful in here. Smells good too. And it's ready for someone to come live in it. I'm gonna take my shoes off because I don't like walking around in houses with dirty shoes from the outside. We've got an electrical fireplace right here. Absolutely beautiful, shiplap all the way up. This is a real beam right here for the mantle. I mean, this is solid. If you want, I could climb up here, but I'm not going to. But anyways, this is technically the dining table area. And while you're looking around in here, don't forget to look up. Look at that beautiful beam, y'all. Stained, sexy, wonderful. And then you're going into the kitchen. Of course, we're going with the navy blue island right here. Love this. Love how it accents with the white cabinets. And of course, with the cabinetry, we're going soft close. We ain't slamming these, okay? We're just gonna do this. Watch this. One more time, just for them. Beautiful. Same here. Check this out. It's so quiet, it's so soft closed that you don't hear it close. Anyways, all of our houses, we put dishwasher, range, microwave, washer and dryer, and refrigerator. Yes, I almost forgot, but absolutely beautiful in here. Now, don't forget, house quality is horrible nowadays. We are going to say that. We're gonna start with that. I need y'all to tell me what's going on. We're gonna go in the pantry here. Honestly, could be like a little baby's room. Not really sure. Maybe. Throw a baby in there. We'll go in the garage in a bit, and then we'll jump into the washer and dryer utility room. Right now, we're gonna go into the office, which could also be another baby's room. This has an office here, so pretty solid. And let's talk about this beautiful flooring right here. This nice, it's like a rustic brown look. It's not too brown, it's not too dark, it's not too light. It's just right. How about that? Let's go into this guest bathroom. This is beautiful. Look at this countertop. And I didn't even talk about the countertop in the kitchen. Look at this countertop. Look at this mirror right here. Look at this. Is this soft close? We're about to find out. Oh, it is. This is gonna take a while. A little too loud. How about we flush it? Soft close right there. Beautiful. We went with the Delta fixtures here. Delta, give us a contract. Give us some sponsorship deal. We got a guest bedroom in here, which is super spacious. Nice closet up in here. I mean, we're not going too big on the closet, but big enough. But we're gonna get out of here and then go. Let's just show them the other guest bedroom right here. Just give them a quick peek. This is literally it. Not too much to look at. Super solid. And then we're gonna go into this master bedroom. It's like a freaking, this ain't a master bedroom. This is like a kingdom bedroom. You got so much space up in here, you don't know what to do. But then when you go into this bathroom, let's start with the tile. Let's go down low. How low can you go? Can you take it to the flow? Yes, we can. Can we go even lower? Yes, we can. That's beautiful. Check that out. All right, so I'm down here. Look how beautiful this tile turned out. Let's turn around and show them how it accents so well with this beautiful natural look right here with the wood look. And of course, soft close. Soft close, okay? Gold accents up in here, gold lighting. How about the soft staging up in here with my realtor? We got the gold Delta faucets right there as well. How about this shower though? Let me hop up in here. You're not coming in just yet. Beautiful tile. I can't yell because there's an echo. Beautiful tile. Beautiful satin nickel. And just beautiful, honestly, just amazing. Now go inside there and look at the beautiful quality of that. Just absolutely phenomenal. And while you're doing all that, you have a little privacy if someone's in the restroom using the commode. Can you see me now? Yeah, how about that? Now we go into the closet. Super spacious. Yeah, my bad. You couldn't even see in the toilet. Super spacious. We got stuff right here for shoes. We've got clothes hanging. It's beautiful. Let's get out of here. Let me close this right here. Let's show you the back side of the property. Nice little covered porch right here. Absolutely beautiful. Now, don't forget, you guys got to be the ones that tell us, is this horrible or not? Look at this. How about this backyard? Grass freshly cut. I'm talking like a chopped salad. Beautiful, smells good out here. Whoa, did you see that? That was crazy. We're building 2 more houses over there. Probably crappy quality too. I don't know. We'll find out by the end of this video. So let's get back inside here. Show you guys the utility room, the garage, and then we're going to the sky. Not how low can you go, how high can you go? Washer, dryer, beautiful. But check out this garage, y'all. We epoxy the floor. Wow. Now that's a sexy looking garage floor. You can pull your car tires on that and it's gonna feel good. This is beautiful. We think this turned out beautiful. We're excited with how this turned out. I just wanna know what you think. But before you tell me what you think, you can drop a comment, kind of tell me what you kind of think. Let's head up to the sky, show you some outside footage, and then we'll see you back on camera. So that's all said and done. You saw what it looks like. Drop a comment. Let us know if you think these turned out great or not. They are for sale. Let's show the sign again. Well, that one's for sale and that one's for sale. Zoom in on the other sign too. Yeah, we got all kinds of trucks over there working, people working, everything's going on. Everything is amazing. We love how these turned out. Hey, if you want a house, come buy these. Let us know what the quality looked like in the videos. Obviously, you can't tell on video, but it is what it is. Smile more, wear less, stay blessed. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.